Elon Musk's financial masterclass. The wealth-building strategies of the world's boldest billionaire. The hook, the billionaire who risked it all. What if I told you that the world's richest man once lived off borrowed money? After selling his first company for hundreds of millions. Elon Musk's financial journey isn't just about getting rich. It's about risk, vision, and betting everything on the future. In this 25-part series, we'll dive deep into Musk's financial and investment strategies and show how you can apply the same principles to your own life. Stay tuned, because this isn't just another billionaire story. This is a financial playbook for the bold. Selling Zip2. The first exit. Elon's first big financial move was selling Zip2, an online business directory, for $307 million. His cut? $22 million. But instead of playing it safe, Musk immediately reinvested almost all of it into his next idea, online banking. Lesson: use your first win to fund your next opportunity, not just to upgrade your lifestyle. X.com, the birth of PayPal. Musk founded X.com in 1999, which became PayPal. X.com, birth of PayPal. While most founders cashed out early, Musk held strong. When eBay bought PayPal for $1, $5 billion, Musk walked away with $180 million. Lesson: ownership matters. Salaries make you comfortable, but equity makes you wealthy. Betting it all. Tesla, SpaceX. Here's where Musk made his boldest move. Instead of retiring with $180 million, he put $100 million into SpaceX, $70 million into Tesla, and $10 million into Solar City. That left him borrowing money for rent. The biggest fortunes are built by reinvesting heavily into conviction bets. The Tesla gamble. When Musk invested in Tesla, the company was nearly bankrupt. Investors laughed at the idea of an electric car revolution, but Musk held firm. Today, Tesla is worth over $700 billion. Lesson: wealth is made by backing unpopular ideas before they go mainstream. SpaceX and the power of big bets. Most thought rockets were only for governments. Musk poured his money into SpaceX, nearly going bankrupt after 3 failed launches. But on the 4th, success. Today, SpaceX dominates private space travel. Sometimes one last try is all it takes. Persistence creates wealth. Diversifying across industries. Musk doesn't just invest in cars or rockets. He spreads his wealth across energy, AI, tunnels, satellites, and brain tech. Don't put all your wealth into one basket. Diversify across future-defining industries. Reinvestment over consumption. Unlike many billionaires, Musk doesn't focus on luxury. He reinvests nearly all of his wealth back into his companies, keeping personal spending low. Lesson: the rich buy assets, not toys. Reinvest to grow. Don't overspend to impress. Using debt strategically. Musk has often leveraged debt against his Tesla stock instead of selling shares. This allows him to fund projects without losing ownership. Smart debt can build wealth. Don't fear borrowing if it protects your long-term equity. Riding megatrends. Musk chooses industries aligned with megatrends: renewable energy, AI, robotics, and space. Don't chase dying industries. Invest where the world is moving. Storytelling as a financial strategy. Investors don't just buy Musk's companies, they buy his vision. From Mars colonization to self-driving cars, Musk sells dreams. And dreams raise billions. Wealth follows vision. Learn to tell a story bigger than yourself. Risk management through innovation. Musk doesn't avoid risk innovation. He manages it by hiring top engineers, building tech moats, and continuously innovating. Lesson: risk is not the enemy. Stagnation is. Surviving near bankruptcy. In 2008, both Tesla and SpaceX were weeks away from collapse. Musk poured in his last $20 million to keep them alive. That same year, SpaceX secured a NASA contract that changed everything. Fortune favors the relentless. Sometimes survival is the biggest financial win. Vertical integration. Musk doesn't just build cars. Tesla owns its battery tech, charging stations, and even raw materials. This keeps profits in-house. Own the supply chain. The more you control, the more wealth you keep. Government leverage. Musk has mastered using government contracts and subsidies to fuel growth. SpaceX thrives on NASA deals. Tesla benefited from EV tax credits. Wealth builders don't fight the system, they leverage it. Betting on AI. Musk knows AI is the next frontier. Tesla's self-driving tech and his company OpenAI reflect this conviction. Lesson: invest early in technologies that will reshape economies. The power of branding. Musk doesn't advertise Tesla. Instead, he uses his personal brand and social media to drive demand. Lesson: build influence. Sometimes your brand is the best investment. Turning failures into fuel. Musk's rockets exploded. Tesla had production nightmares. Critics laughed. But Musk turned each failure into a comeback. Failure is tuition. Learn, adapt, and move forward. Investing in people. Musk surrounds himself with elite engineers, coders, and thinkers. People are the ultimate asset. Invest in talent and networks. Equity over salary. Fun fact: Musk's Tesla salary is just $1. His wealth comes entirely from equity and performance-based compensation. Don't trade time for money. Trade ownership for wealth. The power of conviction. Musk's critics are endless, but his conviction has never wavered. Lesson: weak conviction equals weak wealth. Believe in your best ideas, even when others don't. Scaling big ideas. Musk doesn't do small ideas. From Mars colonies to global satellite networks, his investments aim to scale massively. Think 10x. Small goals create small wealth. Timing the future. Musk doesn't invent trends, he gets ahead of them. EVs, AI, reusable rockets, solar, all were inevitable. He just moved early. Timing is wealth. Be early to the future. Building moats against competitors. Tesla isn't just an EV company. It's a data company, an AI company, a battery company. That's why competitors can't catch up. Don't just start businesses, build moats that protect them. Elon Musk's wealth-building playbook is clear. Reinvest relentlessly. Bet on the future. Own equity. Embrace risk. Tell a vision the world believes in. He risked it all and built an empire. Now I want to hear from you. Which of Musk's strategies will you apply in your own financial life? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe for more billionaire strategies, and share this video with someone who dreams big. Because as Musk proves, your wealth isn't defined by where you start, but by how boldly you're willing to bet on the future.